This Master Protective Coatings epoxy resin kit delivers a thick, self-leveling finish that creates a seamless, professional-looking surface on concrete floors and countertops. Its fully solid formulation cures into a very dense coating that stands up impressively to abrasion, impact, and harsh chemicals in demanding environments. The cycloaliphatic resin blend is engineered to minimize issues like water spotting and surface blush, so cured floors stay clear and attractive over time. Because it bonds strongly to properly prepared concrete and existing epoxy, it works equally well for new installations, resurfacing worn areas, or patching damaged sections. The kit supports both utilitarian and decorative projects, allowing you to create plain protective coatings, metallic effects, or custom color designs in residential, commercial, or industrial spaces. Clear instructions and consistent manufacturing quality make the mixing and application process straightforward, even for careful do-it-yourself users who want a durable, long-lasting floor upgrade.